Shipping containers are all over the world, but can they make a home? Yes. Yes, they can. This is the Containing Luxury story.
How I got into shipping container homes was kind of a funny story.
This is Blake. Blake was a general contractor in South Florida when he came across shipping container homes.
So I took it upon myself to start building my first shipping container out in my yard and film the entire process. So fast forward from the beginning of our starting the YouTube adventure, and literally my phone is blowing up. I mean, ding, 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 ding. This light bulb going off in our minds that, hey, look, let's build a factory. Let's create a product that we can mass produce, very little variations, a couple of different models, and there's obviously this huge demand for just purchasing it from us.
A few builds later and some time to hone in on the process, and Containing Luxury had a home, and they hit the ground running. Using their YouTube audience and industry connections, they reached profitability in year one, and year to date, they're having their best year yet. Selling 40 and 20-foot units across the country, they found their laser-focused niche.
And our focus is Tornado Alley. It's hurricane areas. It's 55+ communities. You know, we want to be going in and swapping out all this mold-ridden, falling apart, unsafe, unenergy efficient products out there and bring our product in.
These workshops can open anywhere in the country and produce units at scale.
And one of the big ones that we're working on is a project out in Okeechobee, Florida. That's going to be 205 units minimum. That's the type of project that we're going after. We really see the future of Containing Luxury being a development company focusing on communities across the country.
As housing prices continue to rise, we believe the demand for affordable housing is unprecedented. Containing Luxury and shipping container homes can provide strong luxury housing at a reasonable price tag. The only thing slowing them down?
Our biggest issue today is so much demand and so little space. Our growth in this industry is causing us to really start looking at ways to raise capital, to increase our production lines, to meet the demand that we have.
As cities and workforce development boards search for solutions for affordable housing, many are coming to Containing Luxury as an option. Containing Luxury is living up to that mission of affordable housing.
Okay, so let's talk about the future of Containing Luxury. Where do we see this company going over the next 1 year, 2 years, 10 years? And really that was focusing on our customer basis that we have staring us in the face right now. And we wanted to custom tailor the future of our company to the biggest clients that we have in our books right now. And that's government contracts, it's large-scale investor developers, and communities. Not getting into the custom tailored units, but mass production, really focusing on the biggest problems and trying to find a viable solution. So if you believe in the Containing Luxury mission and you want to help us grow to the next level, make sure to invest in Containing Luxury today.